All right, big breaking news that's coming in. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out of Tihar jail at 5 p.m. this evening. All formalities right now are being completed, being ironed out, and we can get you this confirmation here on India Today that Arvind Kejriwal will be walking out in just 1 hour from now, in just about 1 hour from now at 5 p.m. The Delhi Chief Minister will be walking out to a massive welcome from the Aam Aadmi Party as well. So this is the big breaking news that's coming in. Remember that the court had agreed to the request from Kejriwal's counsel to send across the papers of the order immediately to Tihar. The court agreed to the same. On the right of your screens are the latest images from gate number 4 of Tihar jail, where there is massive security that's been deployed to ensure that they're fully prepared for when Kejriwal exits from the jail. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us live from Tihar with more details. So on this, Shreya, we're expecting that Arvind Kejriwal will walk out at around 5 this evening in about 1 hour. Take it away. What's happening around you?
Well, Akshita, what have been confirmed by sources inside the Tihar jail that it's around 5 p.m. that we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal walking out of the gate number 4. Where I'm right now standing. Now, just a short while ago, the Delhi police officials had also reached the spot, taking a stock of the situation and the security arrangements about the same. And this is where he will be stepping out of. The weather is playing a little dampener, is why we are not seeing the kind of supporters that we saw last time when Arvind Kejriwal walked out when he got an interim bail. But expecting that at least senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party will be accompanying him when he steps out of this very jail. We are being told by the Tihar sources that the procedural part has already begun. So an hour's time is when we will be seeing the Chief Minister of Delhi walking out of this very gate of Tihar complex.
Shreya Chatterjee is getting us all of those updates from Tihar jail. As you can see around her, it's pouring, which is why you don't see a lot of AAP workers who've gathered. But closer to when Kejriwal comes out, you can expect that there will be scores of AAP workers. Leaders like Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh are all headed as we speak to the Tihar jail. Bhagwat Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, has also come down to the national capital to be a part of this mega celebration for the Aam Aadmi Party. Kejriwal, we're being told, will head directly to his residence right after this. Let's take this across to Pankaj Jain also for more details. Pankaj, we're getting in information that there's no mega celebration planned, that directly from Tihar jail, Arvind Kejriwal will go directly to his home.
Akshita, there might be a celebration. Let me show you this poster which is outside Delhi CM residence, and it's saying Modi ka Kaal, Desh ka Lal. So this is welcome poster for Arvind Kejriwal, and I can see huge speakers being installed outside Arvind Kejriwal residence for the celebration. So right now all Aam Aadmi Party leaders are heading towards Tihar jail, and they will be accompanying Arvind Kejriwal till Delhi CM house. His wife is inside, Sunita Kejriwal. She was sharing sweets with all Aam Aadmi Party workers, including Sanjay Singh and Manish Sisodia. So we are expecting him here by 7 p.m. and he will be speaking with media likely. And Aam Aadmi Party workers together outside Delhi CM residence after he reached here at Delhi CM.
Okay, all right. So you've got that live update that Pankaj is also getting us directly from Tihar jail. You will have Arvind Kejriwal headed to his residence. Senior AAP leaders are all present there right now. Are making their way to Tihar jail to welcome Arvind Kejriwal when he exits from Tihar. But let's get you details of what really happened in the Supreme Court today, which granted bail to Kejriwal in the Liquor Gate scam. The court also importantly criticized the CBI, calling Arvind Kejriwal's belated arrest as unjustified and highlighting that the ongoing investigation shouldn't turn into a targeted harassment. The top court noted that the trial is unlikely to conclude soon and deemed 22 months of incarceration completely unnecessary, emphasizing that bail should be the norm, imprisonment an exception. The court ruled in favour of Kejriwal's release. Now, the bail conditions are stringent. Kejriwal will have to refrain from making public comments on the liquor case, and importantly, he cannot attend office. He's prohibited from signing official files. So how can he serve as Delhi's chief minister is a big question. Conditions imposed in the ED case will remain in place. He's required to fully cooperate with the trial court. He is, however, allowed to campaign in Haryana before the election. So that's a big boost for the Aam Aadmi Party.
So, it's a big relief.
It's a very
party and for.
It's a very big relief for Mr. Kejriwal, for the party, and for the citizens of Delhi. Actually, that their chief minister is coming out today. Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuvan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
So, the conditions imposed include, that he cannot sign those files, he cannot enter the CM office. What do you say about that?
So those are the conditions which were imposed by the PMLA in the PMLA judgment by Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Those conditions are already operating in the ED matter. So anyways, those conditions have been continued, but those conditions can always be modified. Let Mr. Kejriwal come out, and then we'll see what needs to be done in future, what kind of modifications.
Your side has also asked that the bail bond should be filled in the jail premises only, not to the trial court. So
this was just to expedite his coming out. We are still to see what the court had said, but it doesn't make a difference because the order will be out soon and we can apply to the trial court and the release order would be passed.
We can say that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is walking out from Tihar today?
Mostly he'll come out today itself.
There were certain conditions, and now today the court has reiterated those conditions, and there was this 10 lakh rupees surety which has to be filed. That has been done. The second condition was that he will join the trial, that he'll certainly going to join the trial, and he has been joining each and every date when he was in custody, and when he'll granted bail he will come out and he will join the trial on each and every date, subject to what if he is not, then he will be represented by the lawyer himself and may move the exemption application. As far as working as a chief minister and signing as the paper, those conditions exist in the earlier order. There is no condition precluding him from involving in the campaign. He is our supreme leader. He is our convener. He can join the campaigning which has been going on.
ये बहुत बड़ा दिन है, बहुत राहत का दिन है। 5 महीने से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री दिल्ली की जनता की सेवा नहीं कर पा रहे थे। जिस तरीके से वो अरेस्ट होने की वजह से आज माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने बेल ग्रांट कर दी है और अब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शाम को बाहर आएंगे और दिल्ली की जनता की सेवा में पूरी तरीके से जांच में सहयोग करेंगे। जब भी कोर्ट्स में हियरिंग होगी उसमें इन पर्सन ही एग्जम्पशन अलाउ करेगी कोर्ट, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। 10 लाख रुपए का मुचलका है, उसको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। और इस तरह की और कोई जनरल कंडीशन है, सीबीआई के जो मैटर्स हैं इस पे कोई जनरल कमेंट्स नहीं कर पाएंगे।
भाजपा के मंसूबों पे पानी फिर गया। वो लोग विपक्ष के नेताओं को जेल में डाल के सत्ता में बने रहना चाहते हैं, उनका मकसद ही ये है।
खुद ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये कहा गया आज कि जिस तरह से सीबीआई ने सीएम साहब को अरेस्ट किया, उससे ये साफ हो जाता है कि सीबीआई जानबूझकर केजरीवाल जी को अंदर रखने की मंशा के तहत उनको गिरफ्तार कर रही थी। ये बात आज के ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले में साफ हो रही है। केजरीवाल जी को जेल में रखने की मंशा के तहत सीबीआई केजरीवाल जी को अरेस्ट करती है। और ये मंशा किसकी है? केजरीवाल जी ने कुछ गलत तो किया नहीं। मंशा है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की।
आम आदमी पार्टी ने बार बार कहा कि चाहे ईडी हो चाहे सीबीआई हो, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तानाशाह सरकार के सिर्फ और सिर्फ राजनीतिक हथियार है। लेकिन कल तक ये बात सिर्फ आम आदमी पार्टी कहती थी। आज इस बात को देश की सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कह दिया कि सीबीआई ने सिर्फ और सिर्फ अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गिरफ्तार किया क्योंकि उनको पता था कि ईडी से बेल मिल गई है। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस बात पर मोहर लगाई कि सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसलिए अरविंद केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार नहीं कर रही थी क्योंकि उनके पास कोई सबूत था, इसलिए गिरफ्तार नहीं कर रही थी कि भ्रष्टाचार के पैसे मिले, बल्कि इसलिए गिरफ्तार कर रही थी क्योंकि उन्होंने और लंबे समय तक जेल में रखना चाहती थी।
इस केस में कुछ नहीं है, एक एक करके सब जाने बाहर आ गए, अब तो सब पता चल गया।
हरियाणा में अभी आम आदमी पार्टी लड़ रही है पूरी
जोर शोर से लड़ेंगे।
आपको लगता है कि सीएम के बाहर आने से कुछ
बहुत बड़ी ताकत मिलेगी?
बीजेपी लेकिन सर सवाल उठा रही है कि कोर्ट ने सवाल खड़े किए हैं कि गिरफ्तारी अवैध नहीं थी।
बीजेपी वालों का क्या है जी, उनका वो तो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, उनका
सीबीआई की
क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है।
कोर्ट ने की एक तरह से पिंजरे का होता जो आप लोग लगातार आरोप लगाते रहते हैं, कहते रहे, उसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऊपर दोहराया है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ऐसे पिंजरे के तोते की तरह बरता जा रहा है जांच एजेंसियों को, और आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दोबारा मोहर लगा दी। लेकिन हमें यकीन था, हमें माननीय न्यायालय पर यकीन था कि एक ना दिन कि बाहर आएंगे, संजय सिंह बाहर आए, मनीष सिसोदिया बाहर आए।
It's a big relief, and I think this judgment today, and in particular the observations made by the Honorable Supreme Court on the working of the investigative agencies, is clearly a victory of justice, a victory of the struggle of Arvind Kejriwal, and a victory of a man with unimpeachable integrity. It's a big day for all of us at the Aam Aadmi Party, and I think not just the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party, but Indians at large are absolutely elated with joy that their beloved leader, Mr. Kejriwal, will walk free after struggling for 6 long months for a crime he did not commit. Whenever bails are given, conditions are imposed, and conditions don't necessarily, reflect upon the innocence or the lack of it of a particular accused. I think this is absolutely ridiculous on the part of the BJP to make such claims.
मनीष सिसोदिया जी की रिहाई, उसके बाद बाकी सारे लोगों की रिहाई, और अब हमारे पार्टी के मुखिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की रिहाई ने यह साबित कर दिया है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के झूठ का पहाड़ ध्वस्त हो चुका है। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का फैसला, जिसमें साफ तौर पे कहा गया कि जब ईडी से उनको जमानत मिल गई तो 22 महीने बाद वो सीबीआई सो के जागती है, जिसने 22 महीने पहले केजरीवाल जी से पूछताछ की थी, 22 महीने बाद सो के जागती है कि केजरीवाल को अरेस्ट करना है। इसका मतलब सीबीआई की अरेस्ट, ईडी की अरेस्ट, ये अपनी खुद की जांच एजेंसी की अरेस्ट नहीं थी, नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के द्वारा कराई गई अरेस्ट थी। तो तानाशाही का अंत होता है, झुकते हैं तानाशाह, झुकाने वाला चाहिए, और वो झुकाने वाला व्यक्ति है अरविंद केजरीवाल।
एक बार फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज चाहे बेल दी हुई, लेकिन क्योंकि उन्होंने ये पाया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी लिप्त हैं इस शराब घोटाले में, इसीलिए उनको ना तो सीएम के ऑफिस जाने के योग्य समझा गया है, ना किसी फाइल पे साइन करने के योग्य समझा गया है। यानी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी एक बेपरवाह सरकार के एक लापरवाह मुख्यमंत्री हैं।
जो अरविंद केजरीवाल राजनीति में आकर कहते थे कि अगर किसी नेता पर आरोप लग जाए तो इस्तीफा दे दे, आज वो कंडीशनल बेल पाते हैं।